All right, so in the admin under marketing, we can click on campaigns and we can see our brand new campaign section. First thing we'll see all of our drafted or executed campaigns. For any executed campaign, we can see the sends, the opens, the clicks, and if there are any bounces, they'll show up here as well. In this section, we can also add a new campaign. When I go to add a campaign, I can pick from a number of pre-done default templates, including a blank template. We're starting today with just 5, but in the future, we're planning to add more. So let's say that I want to build a campaign around a new product I'm launching. I can click on the product launch template here. It'll open up and it will pre-populate a bunch of information for me. I can change the internal facing title if I'd like. I can select which tag I'd like to send this campaign to. And for those not familiar with our platform, a tag is a customer segment. I can edit who the campaign is being sent from, as well as the subject line and the preview text. So I'll go ahead and I'll add in a tag here. Below that, I can see the actual email that's being sent out. The campaign tool utilizes a block style editor. I can add more blocks as well as remove blocks or edit the default blocks. So for example, I've got this header block here. If I click it, I can control the position of the header. I can put it on the left or I can keep it in the center here. Down below, I've got this title block. I can edit the content in the title block. I can also change the alignment of the title block. I can have this be on the left, the right, the center. I can control the text size within the product block here, or the title block, and I can control if it's going to have an alternative background color. So for example, if I toggle this on, we're going to have gray as the background color instead of white here. If we go down, I've got the actual product block here. I can search through all my products to decide what product I want to have display in here. I can add a coupon that will automatically apply to anyone who clicks the call to action. I can control the alignment of the product here, so I can have it on the left. I can put it on the right, or I could just keep it in the center here. I can decide whether I want to show the title or not, whether I want to show the price, the add to cart button, or the content as well here. And once again, I can toggle the alternative background color if I'd like here. Down below, we've got a club sign up block here. I can control the call to action text. I can control where this is being linked to. I can control the content, the text size, as well as the alignment again here, right? So I can put this in the center, the left, or the right again. Once again, I have the control of the alternative background color. It's really easy to remove a block. If I want to X any one of these off, all I have to do is click on the icon here. It takes it out of the campaign. Really easy to add a block as well. I can just click the button here, and I can add a number of different blocks. I can have a title, content, product, club, coupon, image, or call to action block here. So let's add a club block here. I can search for my club, so find the Spectra Wine Club. I can control the alignment again here, so I can have left, right, or center, so I think it looks good on the right, so I'll add that in. Control if there's a title, sign up button, the actual content as well. Can control the content here, so maybe I'll put, did you know that members get 10% off? And I like the alternative background color on this one, so I'll add that in here. You can have as many blocks as you want on the campaign. Really easy to add more or have less. And once the campaign's all set up, I just go down here and I click review. You can see who this campaign is going out to, and we can get a preview of what it's going to look like before it actually goes out here. We're forcing you to send a test. So we just click the send test button. You can control who's going to receive a test on your end. So I can add someone here as well if I wanted. I can say that I want Christine to get this test as well. And I can send the test email. Now that I've sent a test, I can either schedule to have this sent out or I can just send it immediately. After the email is sent out, you can see all the opens, the clicks, and any revenue it's generated. You can come down here and see if anyone flagged it as spam, if you had any unsubscribes or any bounces as well here. We also get a nice view of the email we just sent out down below here.